My dear students, today let us see one problem in retirement of partner. Actually, if a partner leaving from the partnership firm is known as retirement of partner. As you know, my dear students, at the time of retirement of partner, we have to prepare one revaluation account, partners capital accounts, and we have to prepare a balance sheet with the remaining partners. Here, uh, there are three partners: Tarun, Varun, and Kiran. The balance sheet on 31/3/2015 is as follows. You see, my dear students, debtors is 52,000, less provision 2,000, it is 50,000. And they share profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3:5. Kiran decided to retire from the business. Yeah, provision for bad debts is no more necessary. That is very important adjustment. Appreciate buildings by 10% and unrecorded liability is there to the extent of 4,000 taken into books. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 15,000. Rupees 15,000 be paid to Kiran immediately. The balance is transferred to 9% loan account. Prepare revaluation account, capital accounts of the partners, new balance sheet, and also write journal entries. That is more important, my dear students. You can copy the question just like see. See here, the very first one is revaluation account, which is a nominal account. All expenses and losses are to be debited. See, the provision for bad debt standing in the books is 2,000. Here they said it is no more necessary. Means when a provision is not necessary, that is like a income that we have taken in the credit side of revaluation account. And buildings are appreciated by 10%. Here buildings are 80,000. 10% means 8,000 I have taken in the credit side. And unrecorded liability is there, as you see, my dear students. Here 4,000 is there, that I have taken in the debit side. So the profit is 6,000 that I distributed in the ratio of 7:3:5. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 7 by 15, 3 by 15, 5 by 15. See, my dear students, you can copy this. After this, immediately I opened capital accounts of the partners. My dear students, repeatedly I will say, the capital accounts always shows credit balance. This is the balance brought down, and then revaluation profit as we calculated, and general reserve. Here general reserve standing in the books is 30,000 that I distributed in the ratio of 7:3:5, where I am going to show you the working notes also. Then, my dear students, here goodwill is given as 15,000. The goodwill first we have to credit to the partners in the old profit sharing ratio. Then again, goodwill should be written off actually in retirement of partner. So the partners are going to share profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3:5, and Mr. Kiran is retiring. In future, the remaining partners are going to share profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. So again, I am debiting goodwill account. Okay, 15,000 is being paid to retiring partner immediately, and the balance is transferred to loan account. After that, we need to prepare one loan account, my dear students. Here, the amount transferred to loan account is 42,000. By Kiran capital account 42,000 to balance carried on. So this is all working notes, how I distributed general reserve and how I distributed goodwill and all. You can see, my dear students. Afterwards, we need to prepare a balance sheet with new changes. The bank account balance is 25,000. As you know, it is given in the question. But 15,000 is paid immediately to the retiring partner. So 10,000 is the balance. Stock is there, debtors 52,000 total amount I have taken because there is no need of the provision. Then buildings 80,000 plus 8,000. Then furniture. Capitals, new capitals I have to take. Tarun and Varun. And loan account of retiring partner, that 9%. In future they are going to pay interest, not now. That you have to keep in mind. Then bills payable, unrecorded liability is a liability. See, adjustments will affect 2 times in the balance sheet. Then, my dear students, if you want to write the journal entries, it is very easiest one to write journal entries. Just see the revaluation account and start writing the entries. Provision for bad debts account added to revaluation account. Buildings account added to revaluation account. Revaluation account added to unrecorded liability account. Then revaluation account added to like Tarun capital account, Varun capital account, and Kiran capital account. That is for profit. And when 15,000 is paid to Mr. Kiran account to bank account. Then for distribution of general reserve account that are to, you can write by seeing general reserve account data to Tarun, to Varun, to Kiran. Then goodwill account data to Tarun, Varun and Kiran. Then Tarun account data, Varun account data to goodwill account. See my dear student, in this way you need to write the journal entries. Make use of the class, copy the question in the notes and do practice this. This is one of the important problem in retirement of partner, my dear students. Just once again I am showing how to do. Yeah. Use the pause button to copy the question. Hope you have copied. Then see the revaluation account. Okay. Then do capital accounts. Yeah. Hope this is visible. Okay. In case of retirement of partner, whatever amount due to the retiring partner is transferred to his loan account. Yeah, here it is 42,000. This 9% in future they will pay the interest, not now. Don't do anything about that 9%, ignore it. This is all about the working notes. Hope my dear students you have copied. I wish you all the best and all success. Yeah. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Venkat Presents Dhanam signing off.